What up, VeVe fam? Today is the Marvel DC CoverGirls blind box, and I also have my clock up. I'm going to have the link in the description. So I'm going to be tapping right here furiously at about 4 seconds, right in this line above Notify Me. Here we go. Nothing. Ever since I downloaded the new app, nothing has been working for me, not even blind boxes. So I ordered a couple of cables. My friend told me he ordered some cables to connect the phone and the iPad directly to the modem. So I'm waiting on those. But no luck. We are about 1 minute into this. I'm going to try for some rebounds. There's usually a rebound at 4 minutes and 8 minutes, and so on in 4-minute intervals. Some people have gotten 9-minute drops. We are past 1 minute. It seems like spamming the buy now button just doesn't work anymore for blind boxes. I may have to just do a single tap and just see what happens then. Spamming used to work back in the day, but I guess they're trying to limit the bots and are also not making it easy for regular people to get it. I wish there was like a way you could type in your email address somewhere and have it completely randomized, and then, you know, pick me that way and have me verify that I'm a human. Something like that, you know, like make it fair, because I think a lot of people are losing to bots. But I will tell you, I definitely want to buy one of these off of the secondary market because it's super cute. It's Batgirl, Wonder Woman, Supergirl, Harley Quinn. I think I'm going to go for a couple of Batgirls, probably. I ended up selling one of my Batmans because I wanted to have more gems for upcoming drops, and the price was dropping. I bought it at $1,100. It went all the way to $2,600. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I didn't sell. But then it dropped to $1,300. I ended up buying back in at $2,200, so I still have that one. So I'm going to sell that at some point when it goes up again. But I pretty much flipped my way from 170 gems to like 4,000. So I hope that I can take these funds out one day as well, or even be able to transfer NFTs to Immutable X or something like that. We are now at the 3-minute mark. I'm looking at the clock. 3.5 minutes. $3.44. Oh my God, here it is. 4. Nothing. 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 think I'll try for the 8-minute as well. What was happening to me a couple of times when I was on the street, I haven't made videos because I was on the street, and like obviously I can't do that on the street with like 2 phones. So as soon as I would like click buy now, it would just immediately go to reserving order and then immediately say sold out. So while I'm at home, that's not happening, which is really good. But it was a weird thing that happened like 2 or 3 times. I love it when my mother flushes the toilet while making videos. It's great. Great background. Great background music. We are at 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Definitely like put that clock up when you are having a drop. I used to not know like when the time would come for 4 minutes and 8 minutes, and this world clock is pretty good. I learned about it on VeVe Vault. We're at 6 minutes and almost 30 seconds, 6.5. It's about a minute and a half left. Almost at 7 minutes. And just a friendly reminder to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on notifications for all my videos. They're all NFT related now. So I either do the news or I do new drops. Like Bud Light is coming out tomorrow. There's a Paris Hilton NFT. So there's lots of stuff going on in my other videos about news. We are approaching the 8-minute mark. And, you know, shoot me a follow as well on Twitter. I'll put my Twitter in the description. You can always reach out to me immediately on there. I'm on there pretty much 24/7. So now we're going to go with the clock like this and wait for it and see what happens. Now let's just do it one more time. Right, here we go. 8, 9, boom. Nope, nothing. Well, I'm going to keep playing with this. I want to show you guys my NFT collection. It's called this. Give me 1 second to pull up the website. It's called The Evolution of Flowers. The website is OpenSea.io/collection/The Evolution of Flowers. I have 469 pieces available, so check it out. Take a look. I also do custom NFTs for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, whatever you need. If you like NFTs, you might like what I have. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time. There's a drop tomorrow as well. The drop tomorrow is Pilly Fantasy. And oops, I just fucking left the, I just left this, so now this is gonna say sold out. Damn it. Yeah, sold out. I fucked it up. All right, bye guys.